Hello from Slovenia again. I have a mess still from my previous pour that I did when I experiment with pearl white and blowing technique kind of, and I will do it again but a little different on the black background. And I will swirl with my tool a little different. So I will start with yellowish green. No, what did I say? Blue green. And this is pearl white. I will put a link to my previous attempt on this technique in card so you can see it. Some turquoise and some gold and some pearl white again. And phthalo blue. I think that I will do this because I always have troubles because my paint flows to one way. And this is iridescent blue-green. Blue-green. Some pearl white. And some navy blue because I want dark center this time. And some gold. Just have to put this aside because I will need place. And some pearl white again. And some purple. Maybe a little pearl white again, and blue violet. Okay, and now I will blow this out. And I'm not trying to get a kind of blow or bloom or some bloom flower, so I will just blow this. And now I will grab my brush, and last time I did my swirl towards the middle, but this time I will go a little more down. So Let's see. Okay, and now I will tilt this. Maybe I will add a little more black around, and I will water it down a little bit just to help my paint flow, nothing else. So okay. Back to the middle. Maybe I will go this side first. Back. And now I should have go further down with my center this time, because I want to tilt this center off, because I want to have only this kind of flowery look, not like in the last one. So when I have a spiral in the center, I didn't want to have it this time. So I will wipe my hands and then torch this, and if I will not like it, I will go once more. Maybe I should, because I don't like it, and I will go from dark this time. So I will add my navy first. Navy and pearl white and some violet and some gold. Violet and white again, but not as much. And turquoise maybe. And manganese blue. And pearl white again. Just a little bit of No. Yes. A little of this gold. I have a little of this phthalo blue left. And some pearl white again. Not much. And this iridescent green blue on top. Okay. And let's swirl this. Okay. And I'm glad that I did this because I like it much more now. Just want to tilt a little of this off. To stretch, paint a little more. And I will just take a skewer just to fix this middle part a little bit. Just play. And I have to say that I like it now. Let's torch this a little bit because my gold tends to pop through a little bit. just not sure about this part, so I will just add one swirl here. Wow, so many beautiful, beautiful details. I really like this effect. I will definitely go on some really big one with this technique because it's just gorgeous. I don't know which way I like it the most. I like it in any way. So I will just take you down for a close-up and you can decide which way you like it the most. I will take you close that you can see all the beauty that it's on there. So much different effects and lacings, and you see pearl cells, some ribbons. This is the center. I have to do it better, but I will practice. And when this gold and iridescent will dry, they will be gorgeous. Trust me. Or wait for a dry result. So I'm glad that it's kind of an owl, you see? Has two eyes here and something, I don't know, I saw an owl. Tell me what you think about this technique. And if you like my videos, please consider to subscribe, click the notification bell that you will receive notifications when I will publish my videos. Share them to social media, and that way you can help me too to bring you more of my experiments. So this was it for today. I love it and see you on the next one. Bye.